All right, Daniel here from duallywheels.com and Signature Performance. I'm here in the shipping department today. Wanted to take a minute to talk about DDC accessories. If you landed on our website and you're watching it, or if you're watching this on YouTube, when you end up on our website, on any DDC wheel listing, you're going to see in the upper right-hand side, there's a drop-down box under the price, and it says either with polished bullets, with black bullets, with black spikes, with polished spikes, and then there's different lengths. So I wanted to take a minute to explain to you what it is that you're selecting. When you pick any of those, first of all, there is no additional cost to you. It's part of the package. We just need to know what accessory to include with your package. So this particular set here is shipping out to a guy in Florida for a Ford F450. This is the 20-inch mesh, and it's the gloss black wheel with the bullet. Okay, so the first step here is you're going to choose, if you choose the bullet, they're all one length. You're going to come like this. He chose the polished finish, which looks fantastic. Or they're also available in black. Now, how these install is they thread in like so. So you can see the hardware there. These are forged. These are not plastic, nothing cheap. They're really nice. And then you're going to see when it's removed, when you get your shipment from us, this is actually how it'll arrive. We put the accessories in today to show you what that looks like. Now, the fun part about this is all the options you have, okay? So, these are off my truck. Baby spike and daddy spike. Baby spikes, 2.5 inches tall, you can see there, versus the 4.5, okay? You can really see the difference. Now, let me install them here in the wheels so you can see what those look like. All right, there you are. So, you have any of these choices. One thing particular with the spikes, you have the choice of length, right? Baby spike, 2.5 inches tall. Daddy spike, 4.5 inches tall. I made that up. Don't look for that name on the website. But you have the option to do a 2.5 inch all the way around. So 2.5 inch in the front or 4.5 inch in the back. Your choice of combination. If you want to do 4.5 all the way around, 2.5 all the way around, or what I think looks best is a 2.5 in the front and a 4.5 in the back. So hopefully this video helps you make a choice on what accessories. This particular wheel and tire package, we're going to go ahead and get shipped out the door for Byron in Florida. Again, his truck has no lift at all. So 20-inch forged wheel, wanted as much load capacity as he could get, which this wheel provides 4,000 pounds of load capacity. It is the highest in the industry. It's extremely important. It does look like it has adapters, but there's no adapters. Like DDC says, no adapters, no BS, no plastic, no spacers. It's all high-end, very good quality stuff. So if you're looking for something of quality, towing, you don't want to affect load capacity, DDC for sure is the right choice. You also wanted something quiet on the road, so I very easily gravitated to the Nitto Terra Grappler G3. This is the newest all-terrain made by Nitto. Almost all of these tires are made right here in the United States. And the size that we went on this one is a 295/65/20. So very common. Can we put a 35-inch tire on your truck? Easily, yes. Not always does a 35, 12, 50, 20 fit best, nor does it look best. If you're not doing any suspension modifications, you don't really want your wheels hanging way out the back. So this is a 35.1 inch tall tire that is 11 3/4 inches wide. So look forward to getting some gallery pictures up of his truck. I hope I answered some questions on the DDC accessories. We look forward to talking to you guys on the phone or processing your order. I hate when I'm filming and the guy at the car wash has his alarm going off. Ugh.